Well, hello there, this is Geet, and welcome to my series of C programming tutorials. Today we are going to learn about the constants. Now, as the name says, a constant is something that cannot be changed. So, if you define anything as a constant, its value will not be able to be changed. So let us make a new file, constants tutorial. Let us save it in desktop. Okay. First of all, let me write the snippet code. Include main. Now, we can define the constants in two ways. The first way is using the hash define preprocessor. This is a preprocessor directive. The same way, this is a preprocessor. So how can you do that? Now, if you are using this method, then you cannot use it in the main function. So you do it over here, hash define, and it is a general rule. I mean, not a rule, but people used to define a constant in capital letters, like count or apples 34. Now in this way you can define the constant. There is another way, and that is using the const. Now this keyword is written before a data type. So const int a is equal to 123. Now this thing cannot be changed after this statement. So let us run it and see what happens. Okay, there is a warning that the variable is not used. So if let us ignore it and let us change the value to 23. Okay, the compilation is failed because it is not used. Yeah, the constant tutorial error, assignment of read-only variable a is equal to 23. So this is the error that has occurred, that you cannot change the value of a constant once you define it. So it is forbidden. Now this is pretty helpful when you want a value to be constant and it is not supposed to change. So these are the two ways where you can define a constant. This is Geet Chauhan, and thank you for watching my video.